Beat the winter blues and make your move stress-free. 8 tips to make moving in the cold months easier. Hi guys, I'm Jenny Yusei with Yusei Realty. Are you planning on moving during this winter? I have some great tips to consider when moving during the colder months to make your life stress-free as possible. Before we get started, please subscribe to receive more videos when they are published here at Yusei Realty, and make sure you like and comment. Okay, let's get started. Tip number 1, start planning early. Give yourself plenty of time to plan your move so you can check the forecast and set realistic deadlines for each task in your moving checklist. Number 2, get packing supplies. Invest in quality packing supplies like plastic tubs and boxes, shrink wrap, and protecting your possessions from the elements during the move. Avoid those cardboard boxes that can fall apart. Tip number 3, secure your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle is all ready for traveling in the cold weather. Winterize it and consider renting a truck or a trailer if needed. Tip number 4, protect your floors. Don't panic and don't forget the plastic sheets, mats, cardboard, and frequently used pathways, both in the new and old location, to avoid tracking in the snow and the mud. Tip number 5, dress appropriately. Be prepared with a warm coat and boots so when you are walking, you're comfortable loading and unloading those items from inside to outside in the cold weather. Tip 6, heat things up. Have a portable heater on hand in both locations and take intermittent breaks to warm up after spending time outdoors in those below freezing temperatures. Tip number 7, don't skip on insurance. Make sure you purchase enough insurance coverage for any items that may be damaged due to the extreme weather during the move. And tip number 8, plan ahead for some food and water breaks. Ensure that there are rest stops along the way where you can purchase food and beverages, as well as adequately fuel your vehicle so you won't run out of gas halfway through your move. I'm Jenny Yusei. Thanks again for watching.